Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to hide your story on Facebook. And for this, tap right in the bottom on menu, tap on the wheel right in the top, scroll down to audience and visibility, and from there tap on stories, tap on story privacy, and from here choose the option that you want that people can see from you. If you want to do it public, make it public, but I want it to my friends. And I can also custom this option, so I can add someone that never can see my story after I add this person just from here. Alright, now I have already posted a story, so now if I go to my profile, tap on my profile pic, tap on view story, you will see my story just right here, but I forgot to add a person or hide a person from the story. So from now, tap on the three dots just right there, tap on edit story privacy, and from here tap on custom, and then add the person that you want to hide from your story here again, and after that tap on add, and you fix this from your story. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.